If you feel tired but your mind won't let you rest, this practice is for you. Welcome to your safe space. I am Pallavi. You don't need sleep right now. You just need to guide your body into deep rest. In the next 20 minutes, we're going to reset your nervous system so you can feel calm, clear, and recharged. Lie down comfortably. Make any adjustments to your clothes, to your posture. You can also cover yourself with a blanket. Feel free to cover your eyes. Make all the adjustments to get comfortable in this position. Now allow your legs to relax. Your arms by your side, palms facing upwards. Gently close your eyes. There is nothing you need to do. Nowhere you need to go. This is your time to rest. Take a slow inhale through your nose and a soft exhale through your mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One last time. Breathing in and breathing out. Feel your body supported by the ground beneath you. Allow the breath to flow naturally. Get ready for the practice of Yoga Nidra. Bringing the awareness to the right hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, gently guiding the awareness now to the left hand, thumb, left index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, neck. Become aware of your chin, jaws, mouth, tongue, cheeks, nose, eyes, forehead, temples, both ears, your entire head, back of your head, upper spine, shoulder blades, middle spine, lower spine. Become aware of the hips. Notice the belly. Start observing the gentle rise and fall of the belly every time you breathe. Let's stay with this awareness for the next few breaths. Gently guiding your awareness to the chest. Notice the subtle movements of the chest with every breath. Becoming aware of the heart center, the navel center, awareness to the pubic bone, right thigh, right knee, calf, ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe, bringing the awareness now to the left thigh, knee, calf, left ankle, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, little toe. Now bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it. Just observe. Stay with my voice. Your body is relaxed, but your mind stays with my voice. Gentle movements of the body with every breath in and every breath out. With every exhale, mentally count backward from 10. 10. Exhale. 9. Exhale. Keep going till you reach the count of 1. If you lose count, gently begin again from 10. Now imagine you're lying in a quiet, peaceful place, maybe under a tree, with soft light filtering through the leaves. You feel completely safe, completely supported. The air around you is calm. Your body is heavy with relaxation. Allow the body to become heavy with relaxation. Allow the body to become heavy with relaxation. As the body is relaxed, notice the lightness of your breath. Your breath feels light and natural. Your mind is quiet. With every breath, your system is shifting from doing into deep rest. Now, begin to deepen your breath. Gently bring the awareness back to the body. Gently moving the toes. Wiggle your fingers. Take all the time that you need, bringing yourself back to this present moment. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Take your arms overhead, point your toes, give a nice stretch to the whole body. Roll over to any one side. Support your head. Stay there curled up. Keep breathing. Whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes. You can return to this practice anytime when your body needs rest, but your mind won't switch off. You can use this for your power naps, for that much needed break. If this helped you, subscribe for weekly practices on yoga, breathwork, guided meditations, and nervous system healing. Om Shanti.